I grew up in a house where my dad was an entrepreneur. He wasn't, I'm the first lawyer in my family, so he wasn't a lawyer, but he was a pharmacist and self-made in this little town, West Point, Georgia. And so I grew up watching him build a business, build a pharmacy business in that area. And I saw firsthand the impact he could have with all his customers because he worked 6 days a week. And I was down there a lot of Saturdays with him and doing night calls with him. And so I think I got a taste of helping people in a small business without maybe consciously thinking about it as a child. And then when I went to law school, taking the classes and test driving different areas, it became pretty apparent to me that I liked litigation and I liked representing individuals. And if I could combine those things and actually help people at the same time, that's the cherry on top. When a client calls us on day one, they're calling at one of the low points of their life. Something catastrophic has happened to them or a family member, spouse, child, parent, sibling. They're experiencing something they've never experienced, both on the medical front in terms of, oh my God, something awful has happened, but also on the legal front, because the high majority of our clients have never been through even a claim, much less litigation, much less what's going on in their personal lives with themselves or their family members. So they're calling at a low point. And what we do is we come in to take everything legal off of their plate. Don't worry about securing evidence, getting records, getting photographs, preserving the vehicle, getting the medical records, whatever the issue is. We take over 100% of the legal from day one. And so that's usually a big relief, because I do hear stories of other firms asking their clients to go do X, Y, and Z. And if you're hiring us and we're taking your case, and again, it's a two-way street, we're going to take all that off your plate, and we're going to start spending time and money on day one to prosecute your case, to make sure it's a case, and to get the best possible result we can get for you.